Gaming has gone ridiculously expensive lately. Pre-built rigs are overpriced. GPUs cost as much as rent. But here's the challenge. I wanted to build a PC for as close to $300, if not under. First place I stop is AliExpress. This is where I personally get my motherboard. I usually get this one, the Machinist B450, but this time I tried the Soyo B450. I also get my CPUs from here. I usually go with the Ryzen 5 2600. Simple, good introductory CPU. I also get my DDR4 RAM from AliExpress, as well as my SSD memory, fans, and any other accessories I use during my build. If you guys ever ordered from AliExpress, you know how much they package these packages inside packages. Alright guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna go back in. What felt like hours later, I finally finished. Now it's time to go hunting for a GPU. I start at eBay and search up graphics card. I go to buy it now. In the condition, I go to used. Then I sort by newly listed. That is key. Then I input a price between $50 and $100 and hit search. This one looks alright, but actually this EVGA is something I would definitely go after. $80 with shipping. You can submit an offer to them and hopefully get it for cheaper. Finally, the 1070 came in. Looks in great condition. They took good care of this GPU. The following day, the PC case arrived from eBay. This is the CPU cooler that I chose to use. It is kind of plain, it's from AliExpress, so we're gonna make a little customization to it. So I'll show you how I'll do that. So I'm using this Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte. Then I just tape it up. Make sure I don't get anything that I don't want to get. I'm saying just give it a good little... I ain't no painter, but that'll do. I'll come back and I'll do another coat right now. Took off all the masking. I think it looks pretty good. Not bad. Dilemma. I bought this fan, to make it look cooler. That didn't work out. Holes, whatever. I'm gonna have to order another one on Amazon. But for now, I don't want it to slow down. I want to keep pushing forward. So I'm just gonna use this one for now. Okay, I want to take a quick second to brag because look at this cable management. Just one last adjustment for the GPU. Now I can start downloading the drivers. I head to NVIDIA, get the app, head to the drivers portion, hit download. And once that's all done, I head over to OCCT. This is my main diagnostic tool. Once I get this all set up and downloaded, the first test I run is the CPU and RAM test. And these are the settings I usually run, but it varies. I usually let it run for 30 minutes depending on the situation. The next test I run is the memory test. After that's all done, I test the VRAM. Another way I test the VRAM and the GPU is through firmware. You can go ahead and get that download at geeks3d.com. Once that install is all set, I'm going to show you a very, very important tip. Go to your display settings and make sure you change the refresh rate to the maximum capability of your monitor. In this instance, my testing monitor was 100 Hz. Now hit the benchmark feature for 1080p. Hit the scores, then come up to 1080p charts, head down, find your GPU, and once you have, you compare your score with the score of others with the same GPU have submitted scores. So there it is, a whole gaming PC for just $328.47. Honestly, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. If you could change anything about this build, what would you change? Please let me know. And if you love this, you love my 15-minute PC challenge, go ahead and check it out. Right here, or right here. I don't know what I'm saying.